안녕하세요. 마크 선생님의 유튜브 채널입니다. Hello guys, so for today's video, we will be talking about Korean numbers. Actually, ang Korean numbers ay madali lang siya kapag naintindihan na. But because they are so different from English numbers, it is a bit hard for us to fully understand them at first. That's why don't worry guys, because this video will help you to know and understand the Korean numbers. Okay, so let's proceed. The first thing that you should know o kailangan nyong malaman ay there is two set of Korean numbers, which are the Sino-Korean or Sino-Korean and the native Korean numbers. Okay, so let's start from the first Korean system, which is the Sino-Korean number system. Okay, so first system in Korean numbers is what we call the Sino-Korean number system, or some says it's also called as the Chinese system because this system has its roots in Chinese numbers. So, sa system na ito, ang kailangan lang talaga nating alalahanin or kailangan nating i-memorize ay ang 18 numbers. Yes, tama po ang narinig nyo. Only 18 numbers, which is the number from 1 to 10 and the word 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, and billion. Pagkatapos boom! You can now create all other numbers through simple combination. O, di ba madali lang? Sigurado ako na madali nyo lang itong matutunan. I guarantee you guys, basta tapusin nyo lang tong video para ma-sure. Okay, so let us know first the Korean number from 1 to 10. Here. Okay, so these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yan na nga ang Korean numbers from 1 to 10. Akalain mo yun, you can now create a lot of numbers from 1 to 99 through these 10 numbers. It's just a matter of simple multiplication and addition, dude. Tama ulit ang narinig mo. For example, in Sino-Korean numbers, 10 is sheep, right? What about the number 20? Okay, so ito ang formula dyan. 2 times 10 equals 20, right? So, nauna yung 2 and 10. 2 and 10. So, we will be going to translate the 2 and 10. 2 in Korean is E. E. And 10 in Korean is sheep, right? So, we're just going to combine it. And magiging E-sheep. E-sheep now is at number 20. Okay, next. What about number 50? Just the same rules, guys. 5 times 10. Or 5, 10. 5 in Korean is O. And 10 in Korean is sheep. So we're just going to combine it. U-sheep. U-sheep now is a number 50. Always remember guys that smaller number comes first in doing multiplication here. In other words, it should be 5, 10, not 10, 5. May iba magsasabi dyan. Paano kapag 10, 5? Okay, so iba na ang magiging usapan dyan guys. So magiging addition na yung mangyayari dyan. Magiging 10 and 5, which is sheep O. Sheep O means in Korean is number 15. Did you understand? So, ganyan lang kadali guys. Just apply the rules at malalaman mo na ang number from 1 to 99. Now, let's go to the 8 highest numbers, which are the 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, and a billion. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of zeros. Okay, so let's start from the hundreds. In Korean, it's baek. Bek. So I want you guys to try first to answer these 3 examples, and then after that, sasagutin natin siya. Okay, so let's start. Here in number 1, what do you think is the largest number? Okay, so it's 200, which is 2 and 100. In Korean, it's ibek. Ibek. Plus, the second large number is 30, which is 3 and 10. In Korean, it's samship. Samship. Plus, the last number is 5. In Korean, it's o. O. And finally, when we combine together, it's 이백삼십오. 이백삼십오. Or in English, it's 253. Next is 106. Remember that if there is no tens digit, you can just skip it and write the ones digit. So here in 106, the largest number is 100. So it's pek. Pek. Only, and second is 6. In Korean, it's yok. Yok. And combine it, it will become pek yok. Pek yok. In English, it's 106. And here in number 3, we have 555. So here, the highest number is 500. 5 and 100, which is in Korean, obek. Obek. Next is 50. In Korean, it's oship. Oship. Okay? And the last number is 5 or o, because 5 in Korean is o. So we have 555 or obek o sipo. Obek o sipo. Okay, so now let's proceed to thousands. Always remember left to right. Okay, so in number 1, we have number 1997. In Korean, 1000 or 1000 is chon. Chon. So let's start to translate this number into Korean. The largest number here is 1000, which is chon. Then the second large number is 900, which is 9 and 100. So it's kubek. Kubek. And the next one is 90, and it's kuship. Kuship. Okay, so finally, the last number is 7, or in Korean, it's chil. Chil. Okay, when we combine together, it will become 1997. 1997, or 1997. Number 2 is 2020. The largest number here is 2000. 2 and 1000. So it's e-ton. E-ton. And 20. to 10. To 10 or isip. Isip. Finally, we have iton isip. Iton isip or 2020. Okay, in number 3, we have 8,709. 8,709. Here, 8,000 is the largest number. 8 and 1,000, or in Korean, it's palchon. Palchon. And 700 is the next. In Korean, it's chilpek. Chilpek. And the last number is 9, or in Korean, it's ko. Ko. So, we have palchon chilpekko. Palchon chilpekko, or 8,709. Let's proceed to 10,000. In Korean, it is man. Man. Okay, so in number 1, we have 16,000. 16,000. So the largest number here is 10,000. So it's man. Man. And last is 6,000. 6,000, which is 6 and 1,000. So it's yokchon. Yokchon. So we have man yokchon. Man yokchon, or 16,000. Number 2, we have 23,500. The largest number here is 20,000. In 20,000, we have 2 and 1,000. 2 times 10,000, rather. Okay, so 2 is E, 10,000 is man. So we have E-man. E-man. Next is 3,000, which is 3 and 1,000. In Korean, it's samchon. Samchon. And lastly, 500, or obek. Obek. And finally, 23,500 is iman samchun obek. Iman samchun obek. And number 3, we have 14,600. So the largest number here is 10,000, which is man in Korean. Man. Next is 4,000, the second large number. 4 and 1,000, which is in Korean, it's sachon. Sachon. And lastly, 600, or 6 and 100. In Korean, it's yokpek. Yokpek. So, 14,600 in Korean is man sachun yukpek. Man sachun yukpek, or 14,600. Okay, so the next 3 largest number are 100,000, or shilman, 1 million, or pekman, and 10 million, or tonman. Shilman, pekman, and tonman. So here, we have an easy way to translate these numbers into Korean. As you remember that 10,000 is man in Korean, right? Okay, in 10,000 we have 4 zeros. So, in translating big numbers into Korean makes us easy through getting out the 4 zeros from the right, then start translating it. Okay, for example, we have 230,000. So, we will be getting out first the 4 zeros from the right and put man at the end. And then, start translating the remaining numbers, which is 23. In Korean, 23 is iship-sam. Iship-sam. Then, add the man. So, we have iship-samman. Iship-samman. Or 230,000. Remember that when the numbers are not rounded numbers, the same rule still applies. Take out the 4 digits on the right, then start translating from left to right. Then add man. And then finally, translate or write the remaining numbers you have taken out. For example, in number 1,540,003, here just take out first the 4 digit from the right side, which is 0003. Then start translating from left to right. So here we only have 154. So the largest number in 154 is 100, which is pek in Korean. And next is 50 or uship. Uship. And last is 4, or in Korean it's sa. So we have pek uship sa. Pek uship sa plus the word man. And the final, let's translate the remaining number, which is 3. In Korean, 3 is sam. Sam. Combine together, and finally we have pek uship saman sam. Pek uship saman sam. Or 1,540,003. Next is the new special Korean number name, which is applied when the number is more than 100 million. 100 million in Korean is ilyok. Ilyok. When last time we took out 4 zeros or digits. Now we will take out 8 digits or zeros, then add the special name ok and start translating again from left to right. In 100 million or 100 million, we remove the 8 zeros and we only have 1 digit left, and it's 1. In Korean, 1 is il, plus add the special name ok. So we have now ilok. Ilok. That is 100 million. Just the same in 1 billion. In 1 billion, just remove 8 zeros and we only have 2 digits left, which is 1 and 0, or 10 in Korean. So 10 in Korean is ship. Ship. Remember? So ship plus ok is equal to, we will create finally the word shiphok. Shiphok. Wow! See? When you really master the 18 numbers, you can count from 1 to billions. And that's amazing. Now, let us know when or where to use Sino-Korean. So, this system is used in a limited situations only. And here are some. It is used when counting or dealing with money, when measuring, when doing math, in phone numbers, when talking about or counting time in any way except or. And the names of each month, counting months, but there is another way to count months using pure Korean numbers or native Korean numbers.